Hi there, today I'm in the racing park looking at Elektrisk Polaris. It's a 5-seater. Let's see how much it is as well as gaming adventure. In the second row in the Polaris, there's 2 child seats in here. They're not very good, and the plastic guys needs to connect to. In the blue, there's 3 top 10s and ice fix. They're really good, and the plastic guys needs to connect. In the back in the Polaris, there's 2 cup holders in here, and there's an armrest. Those door buttons are really good size, giving my water bottle and my wallet and my iPad. Storage front is really good. There's 2 cup holders in the car. There's no glove box in the car, and there's a glasses case in the ceiling. The door buttons are really good size, given my water bottle and my iPad and my wallet. The media system in this Polaris is very fantastic. It does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You will put into reverse, the camera starts it automatically by the side of the car, and it has reverse sonar. The boot door in this Polaris is closes automatically and silently. And I can fit the PlayStation in the boot, which is fantastic. Oh, there's a front boot in the car, because there's 5 different bags in the car. The 7 this Polaris is very fantastic car. It probably have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto.